Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I get to share some of my faves when it comes to self-care. It's all about my kitty candy. If you want to see what it is that I am using and loving, stay tuned. Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel and I am back. I have a brand new video. I'm super excited to be here. I did partner with Kitty Candy and as you can already tell by the title, we about to get personal up in here, girl. We're about to talk about all the tea when it comes to smelling good, when it comes to not smelling good, when it comes to what you need to do to take care of your feminine health, to take care of your body, yada yada. Like, we are about to get into it, okay? Okay, now let's start with your panties. A lot of people don't put two and two together, but whenever you are sweaty, whenever you are hot, you know, whether you're working out, you're walking fast on your lunch break, I mean, I'm just telling y'all things that I've experienced. Getting nervous, getting anxious, your vagina's lips, and like your thighs, there are sweat glands. So that explains why if you're working out, you get like that whole, you just peed on yourself look, right? So that's because of the sweat glands. So long story short, whenever you are sweating, you want to have something there to catch that sweat. You want to make sure it's cotton because that's what's best for your lady parts. And not to be showing y'all my unmentionables, but I just want to give y'all a real example. This came from a lingerie set. On the inside, there's absolutely no cotton right here. So I've noticed when I wear panties that are like polyester or like faux silk, satin, things like that, there's nowhere for my moisture to go. So what happens? Like it holds on to the moisture, and moisture, you know, it's warm, it's hot, it's dark, it breeds more bacteria. Y'all, we have bacteria in our vaginas. There's no woman out here who doesn't have bacteria in your vagina. That's what makes up a vagina. Your vagina has good bacteria. It has bad bacteria, okay? It's just, it has bacteria. Now, there's certain levels that you need to have in your bacteria. And we're going to talk about that in 1 second. But when it comes to the draws, you need to have on panties that have a lining. What I mean by that, like I said, I like sexy panties. So these are seamless panties. There is cotton. So you need to find those drawers that have that. Kitten Candy, leave it to them, girl. They got a whole set and I'm so in love with these sets, y'all. Like, look how cute they are. Love, love, love these because they are thongs, but of course they are made of cotton. That's what your girl needs, okay? And of course, leave it to Kitten Candy to have you covered with a whole set, girl. So you can be chill, you can be cute, walking around the house in your little robe or just out looking like this. But I wanted y'all to see that as far as what you need some panties that are cotton, and Kitten Candy has you covered. Okay, now also be sure to pay attention to your diet. They say you are what you eat, and that's no lie, y'all. We're not talking about just how you look and how you feel, but also how your body is, how your body smells. Okay, like we as women have vaginas, and our vaginas, they have good bacteria, they have bad bacteria, and if there's too much of anything, if it's not alkaline, you're gonna have issues down there, okay? So yes, pH testing is definitely a good idea. I would recommend it if you ever have something that's like irritating you down there, if ever you have a weird smell down there, if ever there's redness or something going on, like you need to check your pH. So a couple of things you can do to help your pH levels naturally is to go ahead and eat better as far as switching up your diets. Try to eat more clean, meaning don't have a lot of processed foods. There's a lot of additives. There's lots of genetically modified stuff that your body doesn't really process well, including your vagina, okay? So stick to foods that are considered clean. The other thing is to drink a lot of water. It's really good to drink a lot of water because water just flushes your body out, period. Incorporate fruits and nuts, things like that. And just so we're clear, everyone has a smell. And I'm not saying that if you eat these foods, you're going to smell like the food. I'm only saying that because back in the day, people used to be like, eat pineapples, eat watermelon, eat berries. That way you're going to taste like pineapples. You'll be real sweet. Not necessarily. It doesn't quite work like that, but I can tell you that you'll be more of your natural scent. But I use Kitty Candy suppositories. Suppositories are things that you put inside of your body and allow your body to naturally like let out, okay? And of course, your body holds on to anything that it needs. But let me show you this one. So this is the extractor, then there's the expeller, and then there's a douche. There's so many different options. So I'm gonna open this up. I wanna show you what it's like. I do recommend when you use suppository to make sure you wear a panty liner or just some cotton panties to bed. It's nothing too heavy, but it does get a little messy. Like when you go to the bathroom after putting this in, you're going to be wiping. Because you push it inside of yourself and you push it up, kind of like a tampon, and it puts the product in you. From what I've experienced with this, it was a slight cooling sensation and again, felt like a lot of oil. When I looked at the ingredients, it's boric acid. If you don't know anything about boric acid, I need you to do your own research, but boric acid is awesome. Gynecologists recommend it all the time. If you're experiencing anything like that as far as BV or any kind of yeast infection, try these products. They are natural. They are non-GMO. I recommend them. I use them, and that's what I've been doing to check my pH and correct my pH. And yeah, I absolutely love it. So that's going to help you with any kind of odors that you have. Be sure to check that your pH levels are good. Now, another thing that is really common with having a smell down there that doesn't seem to be your natural smell, it's going to be hair. Hair carries smell, okay? Like when you're hairy down there, it's going to have a smell. And hair, more importantly, it carries moisture. And when there's moisture, and if it's in a dark place, it's a hot place, I mean, you're going to experience more bacteria, and that's how the smell comes about. You can get infections that way. So the long story short is try to keep a good amount of hair if that's what you like, but keep it as short as possible. Keep it bare if you can, like whatever the case may be for you. But I like to follow up my shaving with an exfoliator. If you haven't heard about your pom pom exfoliator, well, your kitty's exfoliator, you need to check this out. So this is a new exfoliator, which is a cucumber scrub, and it's cooling. The reason why I like to use this after shaving is because it keeps from having any hair bumps, don't have any irritation. It's the oil, so it kind of smooths you and moisturizes you. Like y'all, if you're not exfoliating your kitty cat after shaving or waxing, what is you doing? Like, what are you doing? You need to holler at Kitty Candy and get you some. So just so you have an idea of what's in here, there is sugar. That's how it's exfoliating. There's honey. There's honeydew extract. There's cucumber seed oil. There is menthol extract. Yeah, y'all, I haven't used this yet. So I'm going to put a little bit on my hands. And everything's always packaged really well. Ooh. Oh my gosh, y'all. It smells so good. This is how it looks. A little goes a long way. I would probably do that like 2 times. I'm going to put that on my hands. Y'all, this feels so good. I'm going to use this probably on my goddamn hands too. Y'all, it smells amazing. These are new flavors that I haven't tried before. And the reason I'm saying flavor is because some of these products have extracts in them, which gives you a subtle taste. And when I mean subtle, I mean like kind of like wearing cherry chapstick and like licking your lips. You get like a little taste. When it's working with your natural juices and whatnot, it's a wonderful thing. In fact, I have a quick little story time. Y'all got time for it? Okay. How about I got done taking a shower. It's one of those showers too where I was in there for a while. The water was real hot. I had my music playing. I had the candle lit in the bathroom, so it's smelling all good, you know, my aromatherapy, but everything shaved. And you know, if you got a fresh shave, first of all, we all adults watching, right? So if you have a fresh shave, that's the time when your partner wants to play, right? Okay, so I had a fresh shave going on. I got out the bath in the mirror, putting on all my oil, and my boo was just looking and like, right? So over there plotting, I didn't realize I was being plotted on, okay? But yeah, I just was trying to be quick about it because I just spent like an hour in the shower and I'm ready to get in the bed. So long story short, I skipped the part with my kitty candy, okay? So I go and lay down in the bed, hear my partner come. Woo, 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 doing what they do, and then get to the good part, and then stopped. Yes, girl, I said stopped, right? Stop what they were busy doing, and gonna have the nerve to fix their mouth and tell me, "Aw, you didn't put any of that stuff on today?" Like, it's so funny to me. Aw, like the disappointment in the face. You didn't put any of that stuff on today? Girl, I was like, I didn't even know how to take it, honestly. I was like, well, is this a bad thing? Like, are they used to me using this stuff now? But I didn't take it negatively. I took it like, oh shit. Okay, details. You be paying attention. Okay, so you do like it. You know what I'm saying? Like, to me, it made me feel like, oh, like they kind of like that extra step that I used to do all the time. But the one time that I skip it in my little routine is the one time I got tried. So I don't know. Vagina tastes like vagina, smells like vagina, because the vagina gonna do what a vagina do. However, if you put that little subtle pop, that cherry on the top, it's gonna make them crazy. Matter of fact, they're gonna be placing the order for you. Show them this video at this part, rewind it back a little bit, tell them that story. They're gonna be like, oh snap, well, what's that all about? So I was like to finish the story, we did what we did and it was great or whatever, but it's just let me know, like, okay, they like it and they be paying attention. It's just that it's the smell, it's the slight taste. It just does something for your adult situations, okay? But I want to just really quick taste the new ones and tell you what's in them. So this one is the Kitty Glazed Glister. It has a banana on the front and it's yellow. I'm assuming it's going to be like a banana. This is a pretty big bottle. It says that 1 drop is a serving size. You should be able to get 250 drops. I don't know how many nights of fun that is, but I use these daily. And when I use them daily, I don't even use a whole syringe. I just do 1 drop. Okay, so it shows here that this is coconut oil. It has apple in it, pear berry, pear, vanilla, marshmallow extract, banana. So this smells just like Laffy Taffy banana. Oh, wow. And just to know that it's made with stuff that doesn't irritate you and that is good for your body, like that's what makes me excited. So I'm going to go ahead and rub it in. That's how it looks on. I don't even do banana like that, but I can't wait to see what this smells like with my body and my natural odor. Yes, y'all, this is a yes for me, dog. First things first is I want to know what it smells like. I'm gonna put this on my arm. So there's the oil. You can even rub this on your body, girl, depending on what I'm trying to do. I might even put it like, just on my body. It just smells good, but ooh, that smells good. Oh, wow. What does that smell like? That does kind of smell like vanilla cake. So I really don't want to make this video too long. There are a couple more things that I am excited to try from Kitty Candy. I haven't tried yet. So one thing is, again, these right here. I have used the kitty wash before. Is available. I use the wash all the time. Look down below at my previous video. I'll tell you all about the wash. These are new fragrances that I haven't tried yet. So olive leaf with oregano. I'm really excited to try that. And then also the pH balance in apple and aloe vera. So if it comes to this right here, I did not know that Kitty Candy had body elixir. So remember how I was saying I used to put that on my body sometimes just for like the smell of it? This right here is for your body. So it's a scrub for your body. It's an oil for your body. So I'm excited to try this stuff. And I just want y'all to know that it's available. And then this right here, I'm going to keep this in my gym bag and in my purse. So this is a mist. Basically, it's a feminine spray. So I don't know about y'all, but out and about, sometimes being hot and sweating, or sometimes just naturally like ovulating and maybe more excited and juicy down there than normal, I like to wipe myself in the bathroom a lot. Like, I would be a good option to also spray. This gives you like a mist. It helps you as far as staying fresh. So if you made it this far into the video, congratulations. I am super excited to share this with you. This is coming from my own personal stash. So y'all know I love you, right? There will be one winner. I will choose a winner randomly. The only rules that you have to do is 3 things. So follow Kitty Candy on Instagram. You have to follow them on Instagram. I will put their link directly down below underneath all the giveaway details. Number 2 is to follow my Instagram page, Keto Pink Print. That's because my personal Instagram, so sad, Chrissy the doll, is temporarily disabled, but I know we're gonna get that back, okay? Put a prayer out there. Get in contact with your girl if you know somebody. But the 3rd thing is to comment down below what your product is that's your favorite that you've tried from Kitty Candy before, or that what product you want to try from Kitty Candy, okay? So if you do those 3 things, you will be entered into a random drawing. I will put the date and the time I'll be choosing the winner down below. It will be via a random generator, and you can get bonus entries by commenting genuine comments underneath both of those Instagrams, okay? So good luck to everybody that enters, and stay tuned for the winner. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with a friend. I will put the links to the website down below. Of course, I'm going to hook y'all up with a coupon code. If you don't follow me on TikTok, on this channel, on my fitness channel, on my vlog channel, y'all go ahead and stalk me on all my social medias. I talk back. I love when you guys hit me up outside of YouTube. Make sure you follow all the rules down below for the giveaway, because I am super excited to be giving this away to one of you lucky dolls. But y'all, I just want to say thank you for rocking with your girl. Like, I really appreciate y'all. I say it every single video. I appreciate y'all love, y'all support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.